Die by fire. Lift your voice.
Oh Lord God of hosts, arise on my behalf. Let every man or woman on my behalf. Let them commit suicide. Let them commit suicide. Let them die by fire. As they begin to pray now, in the name of Jesus, let them die. Let them die. Let them commit suicide. In the name of Jesus.
In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Lift up your right and say with me, Father, in the name of Jesus.
Father, in the name of Jesus.
As I pray now, let your anger locate every star hunters. That is haunting my star. Every hero that is haunting my star. Wherever they are, let them begin to kill themselves. Let them devour themselves. Let them destroy themselves. In the name of Jesus. Somebody lift your voice.
Let them begin to destroy themselves. Let them begin to destroy themselves. Let them begin to kill themselves. In the name of Jesus.
Mighty name, we pray.
Amen.
Lift up your right hand and say, Heavenly Father.
Heavenly Father.
Because of my expensive destiny.
I
plead the blood of Jesus.
Over
my life.
Over my life.
Over my family.
Over my family.
Over everyone dear to me.
Everyone
that you have ordained.
Everyone you have ordained.
To be a blessing.
To
my expensive destiny.
All
the angels.
That
are meant to serve me.
To
serve your purpose. And your eternal plan. Concerning my life. Let heaven and earth be mobilized in my favor now. Let creation be mobilized in my favor. Let all the people that have a role to play in my life be mobilized now. Let all the angels of heaven that have a role to play in my rise, in my success, let them be mobilized in my favor. Let everything in the universe begin to work in my favor right now. In the name of Jesus. Somebody lift your voice. Name we pray.
Amen.
Lift up your right hand finally. Say my destiny.
My destiny.
My star.
My star.
Hear the word of the Lord.
Hear the word of the Lord.
Arise.
Arise.
Shine.
Shine.
This is your hour.
This is your hour.
You can no longer be covered anymore.
You can never be covered anymore. Every wicked hand.
Every satanic tapoli.
Every
demonic sackcloth that is being used to block my star, from shining. Catch fire. In the name of Jesus. Somebody go ahead.
Every demonic catapult that is covering my star. My star. Arise and shine.
Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Lift your hands and begin to appreciate God. Give the Lord praise. Give the Lord praise. Are you there? Give the Lord praise. Elohim. Elohim Adonai. Elohim Adonai. Elohim Adonai. You are Hashem. Calendar, your miracle calendar, lift it up and begin to give God thanks. Give God thanks. Begin to mention the items in your miracle calendar and give God praise. Ilabadato shila baragadatia. Endolobodobodobos. Meli pranata korea. Zila granabadesh. Inanda ruske lebrondes. Zega